where you are not only to create an innovative solution for specific community problems, but hopefully your idea will generate demands for larger communities and a global market.
How do startups differ from small businesses?
As a startup, it has to be scalable, number one. It has to disrupt an industry. It has to be innovative.
The spirit of innovation here, the creativity of our students through the key challenges and problematic situations and scenarios that our partners would be laying to all of you later.
Proposition is the value that the company promises to deliver to the customers.
Yes, that's correct.
BMC or focus lang sa value proposition?
Ang BMC kasi, ang business model canvas, is after na you're creating the product sa value proposition. It is after na. Ibig sabihin na you have been existing the product na you need to sell.
It's a word motivation and share the feelings of others. So you need to put yourself to the shoes of others in solving problems. Okay? Huwag na siya itong buwan. For example, kung sa mga daily problem, kanang yung atong pinakanindot sulbaron ng problema, kanang annoying problem, na nagbalik-balik yun, no? Kung sa mga pinaka-problem dito.
I'm joining a venture maybe would unlock different things and skills that is in me, so I could use it to improve it or enhance it.
Challenges is not the one that's supposed to stop our tracks. Challenges is just a barrier, or let's say a learning in which we can use to better promote our products or even our own self.
Maipakita natin yung mga ideas na nasa isip natin na pwede ding makatulong sa community.
I've learned a lot no nga kanang daghan di ay patag pwede nato masolusyonan nga mga problema nga naa nakita nato sa kapaligiran.
Prevention taught us that even the smallest actions like utilizing garbage to be used as something that can produce not just cash but little by little we can also help our region and its citizens to be successful in the future.
This is our chance to learn from experts, pitch innovative ideas, and build connections that can turn your dreams into realities. Be part of the movement that shapes the future of entrepreneurship at ASCAP. And take the first step towards transforming your ideas into something extraordinary.
Adventures,
A journey towards business opportunities.